Hello everybody, today I'll be doing a review for the Glock 17. How much I love about this gun. It's a really nice gun, as you can see. Closer look. Okay, it's really nice, carried every day. See this? Okay, yeah, you think so? Yeah. Okay, so basically I bought this gun for about 2000 USD without the box, because this is bought it second hand. Alright, start the review. So yep, magazines, sights, and alrighty, it's empty. Alright, find a safe direction. And alright, so this gun, it's a really good gun. I'm gonna teach you guys how to disassemble a gun. Right, first step, make sure it's not loaded. Take off your magazine, put the sight, put your bullet in here, and here, the sight here, just gotta pull it back like that, and you just gotta pull it back just a little, just like that, just a little, and pull it back. Okay, that's not my style of doing it. That's not my style of disassembling the Glock. I'm just showing you that how many people does that. My style, the easier way of disassembling is it's basically very easy to show you. Just cock it, okay, go back down here, and ready to go. Yeah. So yeah, just gonna show you. Alright, just gonna assemble everything. Yeah. Okay. This Springer. So I want you guys to know that Glock, it's actually pretty simple. Even a 5-year-old kid can disassemble and assemble back the gun. Assemble back. So just gotta put it back. It's really easy because I worked for the police for 25 years, and I really love this gun a lot. Put it back in. Okay, want to save direction, and there you go. Okay, so yeah. Gonna do it one more time, quick one, alright? Got the thing, just pull it back up, put it down here, and you put everything back, and just this. Careful. Done. Put it back in. We're done, and we're ready to go. We're ready to shoot some people. Alright. Good. So what else? Okay, another thing is put some Glock sticker. That's for sale for only $1 USD. This is 1 USD too. Sizes are different. This is bigger. And I'm also selling this. I'm not selling it, sorry. This is a free gift for you guys, whoever that. If you guys buy both of this, you get a free chocolate, right? And also you get a free pouch. Yeah, to keep the gun in there. if you own a gun or if you even have a gun license. So yeah. What else? What else? I really love this gun a lot. It's really good. And just pull it back. Just like that. One thing good about Glock is that you can do rapid fire without overheating the gun. Quality of the gun is really good, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull it back. Yeah, and you just gonna pull it. Yeah. 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 Love it.